Hello everyone, welcome you all to this video and in today's class. Dear children, in today's class I am going to explain you the very important chapter of your class mathematics book, and the sums which we will do today. These sums are taken from S. Chand mathematics, right, composite mathematics book, and this is chapter 7, and today we will discuss exercise 7a, which is in front of your screen, right? So you can see all these questions, and we will do few questions. I'll explain you, and the rest of the questions you have to do in your own. And if you get any confusion or any problem in any of the question, then you can let me know through the Telegram channel, or by writing comment in the comment box. So let's start the class. So the first question is this: 10p minus 3p minus 4 equal to 4 in bracket p plus 1 and plus 9. So we will be solving this. I have the ready-made solution. From there only I will explain you. And here you need to check also your answer, whether your answer is right or not. So see, here is the answer. This was the question: 10p minus in bracket 3p minus 4 is equal to 4 in bracket p plus 1 plus 9. So after this, first we need to open the bracket, as you have seen here, 10p and minus plus minus 3p and minus minus plus 4, and this side also 4 into p 4p, 4 into 1 4, and this plus 9. Now 10p minus 3p is what? 7p. 7p plus 4 is equal to 4p, and 4 plus 9 is 13. Now we will bring this 4p in the left side, and it will be 7p minus 4p is equal to 13, and when this 4 will come this side, it will be minus 4. So 7p minus 4p is 3p equal to 9 and p equal to 3. So this is the answer, and now we will check it. So while checking the answer, we need to simplify LHS and RHS separately. So what is LHS? Left hand side, 10p minus in bracket 3p minus 4. So what is p here? P is equal to 3. So 10 multiplied by 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 4. So 30 minus 9 minus 4, 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. Now similarly, right side also, if you simplify, it will come 25, and hence what we are seeing here, LHS is equal to RHS, it is verified. Now we will do question number 3, which is on your screen. 4 in bracket x plus 3 minus 2 in bracket x minus 1 minus 3, it is not minus, it is equal to 3x plus 3. So 4 into x 4x plus 4 into 3 12 minus 2 into x minus 2x and minus minus plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 3. So 4x minus 2x will be 2x, and 12 plus 2 will be 14, and this side 3x plus 3, right? Now we have to bring this 3x in the left side, so it will be minus 3x now. So 2x minus 3x, and जब हम लोग इस 14 को इस तरफ लाएंगे तो it will become minus 14. तो minus x is equal to minus 11, and in this way x has come 11, right? X is what? 11. So now we will check the answer. So in checking, we will simplify the left side as well as the right side separately. So left side is this, so just put the value of x here. 3 into 4 into 11 plus 3 minus 2 into 11 minus 1. So 4 into 11 4 into 14 and minus 2 into 10, so it is coming 36, and RHS was 3x plus 3, so 3 into 11 plus 3, 33 plus 3, 36. So RHS is also coming 36, and hence it is verified. So we can check our answer in two ways. One was this, and second method is this. So in this way also you can check. In this method we simplify LHS and RHS together simultaneously, but make sure that you will not transpose any of the things from left to right or from right to left in this verification, right? If you simplify both the side together, then you will not bring any term from right to left, and you will not take any term from left to right. You will simplify it separately, but simultaneously you can do that. The next is question number 2 1. So here x upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 8. So x upon 3 is equal to 8 plus 5 13, and here x is equal to 39 has come. So 39 is the answer. While checking, we will just put the value of x here in the left side, which is x by 3 minus 5. So x is 39, so 39 by 3 minus 5. So 3 into 13 is 39, so it will be 13 minus 5 is 8, and this side also 8. So 8 is equal to 8, and hence it is verified. Now question number 3 2, right? So here the question is 2m by 3 plus 3m by 4 is equal to 17. So we need to simplify the left side. In left side, this is in a fraction mode, so we will take the LCM of 3 and 4, which will be 12. So as 3 into 4 12, so 2 into 4 8, and 4 3s are 12, so 3 into 3 is 9m is equal to 11. Now 8m plus 9m is 17m, and इसको हम लोग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसके साथ. So 17 into 12, oh this is not 11, this one is 17, right? This is 17. Okay, so 17 into 12. Now m will be 17 multiplied by 12 upon 17, then 17 cut, so m is equal to 12. So the answer is 12. And here in checking, we will simplify the left side, and we will bring right side, because in right side there is nothing to simplify, it is the number only 17, so that will come here. So 2 into 12 by 2 plus 3 into 12 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Now 2 6s are 12, right? No, this is 3. This is 3, so 3 4s are 12. So 4 2s are 8, and 3 3s are 9. So 8 plus 9 17, and the right side was 17 only. So it is verified. 17 is equal to 17. Now we will understand this one, right? 4, question number 4. So 4 question is this. Just have a look here. After 3 we have done 3 2, and then we are doing 4, right? 4th number question is this: 2 upon 3 in bracket x plus 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 2. So this is the question. So first you can multiply, or you can do this also कि इस 2 by 3 को हम लोग right side में लेकर के चले जाएंगे, which is in the multiplication form. So when this 2 by 3 will come in the right side, so it will be 3 by 2, it will become 3 by 2, right? Division हो जाएगा. So x plus this was what, 7 by 2, right? 7 by 2. Just wait a minute, let me check the question. No, it is 3 by 5 only. So this is 3 by 5. Actually this will be what, 3 upon 5, not 7 by 2. So x plus 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 2 into 3 by 2. So x is equal to 7 3s are 21 by 4, and when this 3 by 5 will come this side, it will be minus 3 by 5. So take the LCM of 5 and 4 20, so 105 minus 12 93 by 20, and in this way the answer is coming 4 whole 13 by 20, right? 4 whole 13 by 20.